Okay, I want you to think about someone for a second. There's a researcher, probably at a dozen universities you could name, doing genuinely important work right now. And if you tried to find her online, maybe you'll get a department page from 2019, a Google Scholar profile she hasn't touched in 3 years, and maybe a PDF of a thesis buried somewhere on the university server. She's not hard to find because her work isn't interesting. She's hard to find because nobody built her anything worth maintaining. That's the problem UniWeb solves. It's basically 4 tools that work together to make the university's research and the people doing it actually findable. But let me show you what I mean. The first one is an experts directory. You type a topic, say climate risk, machine learning, medieval history, whatever, and you get the actual people doing that work, their current projects, and how to reach them. This is how a journalist finds the right professor before a deadline, or how a startup finds a research partner before they hire a consultant. The second is faculty websites. Each professor gets their own site. And here's the part that matters. It stays current on its own. It pulls from their profile automatically. They update one thing, and it updates everywhere. Which, if you've ever tried to get a professor to update a web page, you'll know why that's kind of a big deal. Third is the University Hub. Think of it as a bird's eye view. Every project, every lab, every research group all in one place for the public, for industry partners, or for anyone trying to understand what a university actually does beyond what's on the homepage. The fourth is reference management. Publications, conference talks, reports, all attached to the same profile, so work doesn't just vanish into a journal, never to be seen again. Here's the thing though, what's actually clever. All 4 of these talk to each other. So a professor updates her bio, her website updates, the directory updates, the hub updates. One action, everywhere. The maintenance burden that kills every system like this is gone. And that's not a small thing. Now, worth saying, you don't have to do all 4 at once. U Ottawa runs this across more than 6,000 faculty profiles, which is the largest deployment we have. But you can start where it makes sense, with, say, the experts directory, and build from there. The point is, your researchers shouldn't be invisible because the infrastructure let them down. The work exists, UniWeb just makes sure that people can actually find it.